Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Begin by parking the vehicle on level ground, engage the parking brake, and place the transmission in park. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 30 seconds to clear accessory power and protect airbag circuits. Gather tools: a 10mm wrench, 8mm screwdriver, Torx T20 driver, and a soft trim pry tool or plastic panel tool. Wear gloves and eye protection. Keep screws and clips in a small container and photograph the original assembly for reference. This saves time when reinstalling the paddles and trim. Use the soft trim pry tool to carefully remove trim around the steering column and expose the back cover of the steering wheel. Locate and remove 2 Torx T20 screws securing the paddle assembly and remove the visible 8mm bolt at the pivot. Pull the paddle assembly outward just enough to access the electrical connector. Press the release tab and disconnect the paddle connector, labeling it to avoid mix-ups. Inspect the connector for corrosion and clean with electrical contact cleaner, if needed before removing the old paddles. Position the new paddle assembly into place, align the pivot, and reconnect the paddle electrical connector until it clicks firmly. Reinstall the 2 Torx T20 screws and tighten them to approximately 5 Nm, then torque the 8mm bolt to about 7 Nm for secure but not over-tightened fastening. Reinstall the steering trim and confirm all clips are seated. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, start the engine, and cycle through paddle up and down shifts to verify functionality and no warning lights. Road test in a safe area.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.